friends, my name is Abdul. Now I'm doing science experiment. It is density of water. We have three ingredients. 2 glasses of water. We need three ingredients. 2 glass of water, 2 lemons, and salt. Now remove the spoon and keep 2 lemons. 1 lemon is in the normal water and 1 lemon is the sink water and 1 lemon is in the salt water. Wait for see what happened now. See, normal water in lemon it was sink and this salt water that was a lemon inside a floating. So normal water is low density and the salt water is high density. So how is my experiment? Like and subscribe to my channel. Assalamualaikum, jazakallah khair. Thank you friends. Bye bye.